Hey, fellas.
Hey, Kevin.
We're doing some tool talk. The favorite things in your guys' bags these days? Who wants to start?
I'll start. I got a new one. It's a simple little Scribe tool, and it's got 3 really good features to it. First one is it has these little offsets, 1/16 all the way to a 1/2 inch, so I can just lay it on a piece of stock, draw a straight line.
And when are you doing that?
I would like this the most when I'm trimming outdoors. I can set a 1/4 inch reveal on the jamb and run my trim right against it. Consistent. Second feature has a center finder, so I can set the pencil in like that. I bring it to my material, turn it, automatically going to find center.
That's nice.
And wait, so by just turning it, it adjusts the kind of the thickness of the material?
Correct. So bring in some 3/4, turn it.
Still finding it.
No kidding.
Dead center on it.
Look at that. A lot easier than putting your tape on there and doing the math and all of that.
Yep, takes all the guesswork out. Final thing I like, magnet on the back, so I can hang it up in my truck or I can keep it in my belt. I can find drywall screws behind the joint compound.
Very nice. Easy to find, hard to find, expensive?
Easy to find, inexpensive, and very accurate.
Very nice.
Nice.
That's a good one. All right. Mark, what about you?
All right, you guys are going to love these. So these are electronic ear muffs, and they actually cancel out loud sounds, but they give you the ability to keep a conversation going, which for me is the safety aspect of it. So
Yeah.
they are easy to use.
So,
There's a little knob on there, Kevin.
right.
Yep.
So if I've got them on, and I turn that on, look at that.
Yeah.
Microphone.
Right.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Doing good. But then if I'm just talking,
Boom.
Shuts right on.
shuts it right down.
Nice.
Wow, that's actually great, huh? Good for you and all the safety stuff.
Exactly.
Very nice, Mark. I like that.
Top size.
All right, Lee, how about you?
Okay, laying down sod cutter.
Sod cutter, huh?
Used to have saws like this on your knees.
Did you take that from Nathan's bag?
I
You
did.
guys use that.
That's my jab saw right there.
That
There you
is
go.
drywall
A
jab.
drywall one.
So you're using this down to cut the sod, trim it
Correct.
around.
But you're down on your knees, you know what I mean? And then you have box cutter, down on your knees.
Same
thing.
idea.
Yep.
You guys score it, go through. So
Sod
what do you
pieces
prefer?
I like these.
Like those.
Stand up, sod cutter.
Phew, you're getting smart, huh? So you get to work from up here.
Correct.
Without bending down.
Yes.
And then
And it's fast.
you're literally just like scissors.
Get your sod down and cut it out.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Like that. Good deal, guys. Thank you. I think people are going to be very excited to know about that stuff.
Absolutely.
Can I borrow those?
Sure. Right off the bat. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.